What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cost Custom. So today I am going to replace the spark plugs on my 2019 Road Glide. I will walk you through it and show you what you need and how to do it. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take off your seat screw or your Phillips screw, whatever it is. I just put a thumb screw on mine. Take the seat off, and then I will show you how to remove the tank. All right, guys, so next thing you're going to need to do is cut this zip tie here for your vent line. Set that aside. Just pull it out from the top. Lay that there. The other thing you're going to need to do is cut this zip tie. Pull that off. Disconnect this connector. Disconnect your vent line here. You got to be careful with this one so it doesn't crack or break. Just kind of give it a twist. Alright, so now that's off. You're gonna loosen the 10 millimeter here. You're gonna take these black caps off in the front of the tank, and you got a 13 millimeter there on both sides. You're gonna remove righty tighty lefty loosey, and do not forget your quick disconnect for your fuel tank. This will snap. Do not forget to take this off. You're just gonna push up, wiggle very lightly. Let me try. It's hard to do with one hand. Set the phone down, maybe you can see that. There we go. Very little will drip out, but now you don't have to worry about draining the tank or anything. For some reason, I always forget these two 13s. You need to remove these as well. All right, so here are your spark plugs. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. I use spark plug boot pullers to grab the boot like this and pull it out. I know you're probably going to want a Hercules and pull it out because it might be a little seized, but do not pull this. You're just pulling it out of the boot, and now it's not going to connect to the spark plug when you put the new ones in. Go easy on it. Now that you got your spark plug boots off, you will need a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket. Put it on there, break it free, loosen it. We will need to gap the new spark plugs to put in. But my bike has 29,000 miles on it. Roughly, don't quote me on that. It's under 30. But the spark plug itself doesn't look bad. I mean, it's a little, a little worn. Still runs, still drives. Nothing wrong with it. But if you don't replace your spark plugs, they become rusted and corroded, and they don't want to come out. So even if you don't think you need them, just do them. All right, guys, do not forget to go ahead and gap your spark plugs. Mine is 31 to 35 thousandths of an inch, so I'll go 33. So go ahead, do this. I always recommend putting a very, very small amount of like copper high temp anti-seize on here. Torquing them to the proper specs, which is 10 to 15 newton meters or 89 to 133 inch pounds. Making sure that the crush washer seals. I highly recommend getting a manual. If you don't, it's going to be hard to do things like this. If you think about it, buying a manual, let's say it's $100. That's roughly an hour of labor that you're going to pay the dealership. It's definitely worth the money. All right, so I got my spark plug gapped. Electrode and everything looks good. Put a little anti-seize on there. Go ahead, thread it in so it bottoms out. You torque it if you'd like. I go until I feel the crush washer crush, and then give it about 1/4 of a turn. And that's it. You can do it for all 4 of those. And then go ahead, reinstall the tank. Just do everything reverse order. Start it and make sure everything runs and there's no lights or anything. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment, like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTUMZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.